Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can access ChatGPT in your conversations and chats on Opera browser. So let us dive into this. Now, let me just close Opera AI because that's the supported AI chat assistant here on Opera. But there's also the option to access ChatGPT. Of course, you can always head over to the website, but there's also a plugin, a built-in plugin here on Opera on Opera browser that is going to allow you to access chats and conversations on ChatGPT while staying, for example, on a specific website. So let's assume, for instance, you're on a specific website and you would like to discuss the content of the given website, like articles with ChatGPT, without leaving the given tab. This is how you can do it. What you need to do is click into these three dots in the bottom left corner of your left sidebar to access the setup. And here, if you scroll up a bit, you will see the AI services. And apart from Opera AI that is built in, there are also these two here that are supported, ChatGPT and Gemini. So what you want to do is select or click into the checkbox here to the right, and that is going to enable ChatGPT. You can do the same for Gemini. So to access the chat assistant on ChatGPT, click into it and you will be redirected to that left sidebar here, or left stripe, for instance, let's say, or area where you can start your conversation with ChatGPT. Also log into your account if you like here via Opera browser, and at the same time stay on the given website or tab to discuss the content of it. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.